Andrew Lieb, you know, to me, this has always been about the criminal case. I always thought, you know, civil liability is pretty obvious here. People have to pay. There's been settlements. They've all happened. Do you see them at all impacting the prosecutor in this case?
I think you said it right, because it's always about criminal. The power to indict is the power to destroy. And it's really up to the prosecutor. And I think it's really damning that Alec Baldwin made this statement that he didn't pull the trigger, that he just pulled it back. And we found that this Colt 45, the FBI says that's undermined. And if he would have kept his mouth shut, as we all know as attorneys, keep your mouth shut. If he would have just kept his mouth shut, I think he probably wouldn't have been prosecuted. But that opened the door, because it makes his veracity for truthfulness, his credibility shot.
Let's take a listen. This is, do we have Mario Camposano? Can we show that? The firearms expert here talking about the dummy round and how all of this works, because the ultimate question is, you know, how did that gun fire? So here's Mario Camposano. He's a firearms expert, spoke to Judge Ashley earlier this week. Let's take a listen.
This is a dummy round. And if you look at the dummy round, there's a rubber spot where the primer is. And that's designed there to catch the pin, because, you know, everyone thinks that dry firing a firearm will hurt the pin. That is a dummy round. There is no charge. There's nothing in there, no inert object that can cause that thing to fire, discharge a projectile out, right? This is a blank. And anybody who's in the construction industry would know this is what they use to drive nails into concrete in the basement. That's a blank. That, when struck, will make a loud sound, just like an actual cartridge, bullet, etc. So that being said, if there was true dummy rounds in that firearm, nothing would have come out of it. No explosion would have happened. No noise would have happened. It would have been totally inert.
Now, David Katz.